Video, I will be showing you how to set up a brand new worker starting at your business. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to setup services, and make sure that any services that this new worker offers are in your service groups, your services, and all of that's offered. If you have an existing service and maybe you need to add a level, you can check this, use multiple price levels, and you can add their pricing as a level. The other thing you'll want to do is go into your setup workers, setup permissions, and make sure there's an existing permission set that you plan to use for them. If you need to create a new one specifically for that worker, you'll go ahead and create a new permission set. The worker compensation methods. This is another piece. So if there's not an existing compensation method that you plan to use for that worker, you would want to make sure that's set up here as well. And then once you have those pieces in place, you'll go to worker details, add new. You'll type in a name and their last name and their email, and select their start date. And then you would provide them a username and a password. And you can upload their photo, update any reference information regarding their legal contact information if they need to be alerted when someone books or cancels an appointment. And then, of course, in case of emergency down here. So you would complete any of those fields, and then you would go to hours, and you're going to input her hours and make those adjustments as needed. If we need to offer online hours, you can just click same hours. It'll copy those same hours, or you can update what the hours are as needed. You could also copy hours from another worker. And then you go to services, and you can select their intervals, like maybe she only wants to take appointments every 60 minutes and she's going to be a level 2, and she provides, let's say, nail services. So you click this drop down and click select all. Then we also need to select any services she offers online. Maybe her sports services are not offered online, but they can be booked in store. You can also make any customizations to that as needed. And then under other, you'll check this box if she allows retail sales. You'll make sure to assign her that permission we discussed. You can input her hourly wage or salary if that's a part of her compensation method. Then, of course, select the compensation method. If she has secondary compensation, you can select that here. And then if she only needs to view her own appointments or her own goals, if you'd like to hide contact info or hide appointment book values, you can do that here and go ahead and click save. And then Julie is ready to book. She's right here. She's the last column on our calendar. If you need to update Julie's sort order, just go back into the setup workers and adjust the sort order that she'll appear in. Thank you for watching and have a great day.